Hello from Vienna. My name is Markus Eckelt. Welcome to my status presentation of my PhD topic, which is about the classification of sport surfaces by the use of a mobile traction measurement system. Till now, I completed all curricular parts of the PhD study. And within the last year, I changed my PhD topic because my first PhD topic was in an empty road. And my new topic deals with the interests of two companies, the company Laborsport as well as the company Scott. And it's about traction, which means to measure the resistance between the shoe outsole and the sport surfaces. So you can see on the left side 4 different examples of shoe outsoles, and on the right side 5 examples of different sport surfaces, from artificial turf to asphalt to gravel to tartan and natural grass. Traction is very important because traction has an influence on the comfort as well as on the performance and the risk of injuries. Till now, traction is measured with biomechanical tests. You can see here, for example, a parkour, which the participants have to go through. Here, the focus is on fast change of the direction during the movement. Here you can see mechanical tests, for example, the official mechanical testing device of the FIFA. And as it's also about comfort, players' perception is also very important. The problem is that the results of the 3 fields doesn't match. So the aim of this PhD is to fill these gaps and to develop and use a new mobile testing system where the results for the biomechanical tests matches with the mechanical tests, which also matches with the player's perception. Therefore, I created 5 work packages. The first work package is about the mechanical tests, which include the development of a new measurement method to simulate different real loading conditions. I want to measure the translational traction as well as the rotational traction. And the outcome of the first work package will lead to the first publication. The second work package is about the biomechanical tests. It's also about the development of new measurement method, including new sensors, and the measurement of translational and rotational traction. And the outcome of this work package will lead to the second publication. The third work package is about the development of a final measurement system. So the results of work package 1 and 2 will give the input or the direction for the final measurement system. This includes a new measurement method, maybe also new sensors or a new application point. The measurement system should be easy to use, and it should be a mobile system. Then we have work package 4, which is about the testing and the evaluation of the final measurement system. This work package will lead to the third publication, and work package 5 is about writing the thesis. Here you can see the overall schedule with the missing first. It's not really a whole year, but missing the first year, which was about curriculum and the first PhD topic. I already carried out first mechanical tests on our test benches at the University of Applied Science. Here I focus on the simulation of the initial contact with the heel, and I compared the measurements which are used worldwide with the shoe positioned on the flat underground to the shoe positioned on an underground with an inclination. And you already can see that these first measurements leads to a big difference in the measurement results. I also developed a new measurement device for the biomechanical tests. where I use a force transducer to measure the translational force and the pressure measurement insoles to measure the normal force. With the information of both, I can measure the coefficient of friction. And I already tested the measurement device on gravel, which you can see here, as well as on artificial turf. Here you can see the overall setup. So here the shoe now starts to slip with the pressure measurement system and the measurement device. I already tried to simulate measurements to measure the rotational friction. You can see it here in the video. Therefore, I use inertial measurements units, two, one above the big toe and one next to the ankle. And out of this information, I want to classify the underground. Thanks for your time. I hope you enjoy my presentation, and yeah, if you have questions, just write me an email.